Segis.
Paki-silence na Mises. Paki-silence yung balista. Mates.
Okay, hold. Spread now. Spread. Itang front. Yo, on me. Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. No. Uminaw. Kill us. Color.
From the north.
And defend. Okay, push short. Heal up. Push short. Push northeast, guys. Northeast. Why are you on the southwest? Push northeast. I'm dropping Judy here. Push northeast. Find me east side. East side on me. 3, 2, 1. On me now. Okay, spread and ball east side. Spread. Full spread. They're looking. Defend now. Okay, brawl west. Sobrang lag. Brawl. Brawl west side. West side on my count. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on my count. Nice one. And push northwest. Push northwest.
Hindi pa ako
Push northwest. Brawl northwest. Oh, GG. Tumopo talaga kayo, pre. Yo, kill the looter. Here. They're looting everything.
They call these
GG na daw. Or those people who died, why did you guys fucking go west side?
After mamatay nila RK dito, nagsi-west side na agad sila eh.
Guys, I don't understand. If you guys go through the choke, they will engage. You guys are super clumped up there. Why can't
We
you
need
guys
to
just spread
fucking
out?
pass the choke, guys, and spread.
Guys, hello?
Bilis ni Sim magano. Addictive.
Come southwest. Melan, one more. Buwan tayo balista, guys. Okay, we back. Grabe, kalag na ako. Guys, come southwest. Why do I have DPS on the northeast?
Nakita nila, boss. Nakita nila yung ibon natin.
Okay lang yun. Nakita natin yung 7-3 na blood letter.
Ayun. Sabihin nyo na lang, ito, nagre-reklamo tong ditang na isa.
Lumaga sila.
Yeah, what? Okay.
Down sa ni si Sim.
Ano ba yung 7-3 natin?
Caller.
May na blood letter. Parang may mali
Lagi ko. Kaya tayo na eh. Record sa ako.